Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So with a question like this, I want to start with the easiest row, which I believe is this one, because here's the thing, right? We got two numbers that are being divided, and because the order of operation says division happens first, we're going to do this division, then we're going to add it to another number, and we're going to get 4. Also, 4 is a pretty small number. To get 4 by addition, it's either going to be 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1, or 2 plus 2. It's going to be one of those options. It can't be anything bigger than that. So let's just go by an assumption here. Let's place a 2 here. If that doesn't work, we can try 1 or 3 after that. Now, after we've established that we're kind of assuming that a 2 is going to go there, let's look at this column. So in this column, we've got a -3 there. And again, multiplication is going to happen first. So we're going to multiply, and then we're going to do the subtraction, and we're going to get a -3. We don't have a lot of options, right? Let's say if I put a 1 here. Well, there's not going to be anything to -2 to get a -3. What about if I place a 3 here? Well, then I got 6. And what minus 6 is going to be -3? That would be 3. Can't do it because I'm going to have 2 3s. What about if I place a 4 here? Well, then I'm going to get 8. That will work. I can put a 5 and get 5 minus 8, which is -3. There are other options that will work as well, like a 6 here and a 9 here. But after that, it's going to be difficult to get other working options. Let's start here. Let's see if this works. And if it does, we're good to go. If not, we'll come back and try again. Okay, now that we've got a 5 here and a 4 here, let's figure out this row. 2 plus what is equal to 4? 2. So I need a 2 here. Of the remaining numbers, the combination that's going to work is 6 and 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, plus 2 gives me 4. Okay. Now let's come to this column. Well, 41 is pretty darn close to 42. So I'm going to throw a 7 in the mix here. 7 times 6 is 42. Minus 1 gives me 41. Now I only got 2 numbers left. I got 9 and 8. To get 13, 4 times 1 is 4. Plus what is 13? That would be 9. And my last number that I can use is 8. Let's see if that works. 5 times 7 is 35. Minus 8 is indeed 27. And then over here, 8 plus 3 is 11, minus 9 is indeed 2. That's how you do it. Done.